Libraries and APIs. Programming libraries contain pre-written code in the form of global variables and procedures that are available to the programmer. Oftentimes, libraries may need to be imported into a program before using any procedures from the library, but the small addition of an import statement in a program can save the programmer a great amount of time and effort. Commonly used libraries include a math library, a random library, a string library, and many more. The math library, for example, provides procedures that quickly enable a programmer to find the square root or raise a value to the power of an exponent. An application programming interface, or API, acts as an intermediary between a program and another piece of software. The API allows communication between the two by building protocols and outlining directions for how communication should occur. By doing so, a connection is established that allows the program to access and use data from the software. APIs and libraries help simplify programming tasks. Classes in the APIs and libraries are grouped into packages, and documentation is essential to understanding the attributes and behaviors of an object of a class. There are millions of APIs available online that can provide a programmer with a variety of data. Access to data can expand a program's functionality and use. It's also much more practical to gather data from a source than to try to program it all yourself. APIs allow for the reuse of existing code and tools. APIs enable software to interact with external systems or libraries. APIs ensure data is up to date, provide access to any amount of data, and provide a user-free repeated action on a dataset. The Java API, also known as the Java Standard Library, provides packages that handle tasks like managing data structures, for example, the ArrayList class in the util package, handling user input and output like the scanner class in the util package, and working with files and databases. This course focuses on using the Java Standard Library, although there are plenty of free APIs available on the internet that have all sorts of purposes. There are public APIs that provide current weather data, current stock market data, even random facts about cats and dogs. Here's how it works. Libraries are collections of classes. An application programming interface, or API, specification informs the programmer how to use those classes. Documentation found in API specifications and libraries is essential to understanding the attributes and behaviors of a class defined by the API. A class defines a specific reference type. Classes in the APIs and libraries are grouped into packages. Existing classes and class libraries can be utilized to create objects. The music service Spotify provides an API that allows you to access playlists, search tracks, and control playback. Your application can interact with Spotify without knowing the inner workings of Spotify. In order to use the Spotify API, or any API, you just need to go to the website and read the documentation.